Men, we're a funny breed. King of our castles, they call us. Creators of our own destiny, you might even say. From farmer to banker. Yep, we're the big dogs in a small backyard. Man's best friend, for sure. That's not to say we're not without our little insecurities too. You worry your is not big enough. Things just don't work the way they used to. That's why here at Xccessories, we can prescribe you the correct dose of just what you need. So if you want to stand out from the herd, consider us the Hollywood plastic surgeons of the vehicle world. I mean, nobody's saying you need all this cool stuff, but do women really need all those shoes and handbags? Hell no. Just because you're out making the hay, that doesn't mean you can't look good doing it. And when you're heading out and about around town, a little extra badass. Well, that never hurt anybody. So if you need those rock star vibes whilst rolling in the whip, oh yeah, we sell man toys for real men, jewelry for your Jeeps. Sure, you don't need it, but you know what you want. Now all you gotta do is ask the real boss, are you allowed to have it?